Alright, so welcome back to the OneClass channel. Again, my name is Joey. I'm going to be your math teacher for this session. So here at OneClass, what we're doing or what we're aiming to do is that we're creating these live streams and videos of basically solutions of frequently asked problems. So these problems basically range from chemistry and mathematics in both the secondary level and also in the university and college level as well. And what we're doing here is that what the teachers here at OneClass are verifying these solutions so that you have the best answers moving forward in either assignments, your tests, or your other future courses. So again, my name is Joey. I'm currently a secondary school educator in Ontario. My subjects that I can teach confidently are chemistry, math, and music. And yeah, hopefully in this next hour, what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus mainly on some grade 9 algebra, some pre-algebra, and some algebra 1 types of questions. And we'll hopefully be able to answer 11 questions on these topics as well. So let's get started on today's problems. So what we have here, our first question of the day is asking us, it's a geometry question. So what we have here is we have an ABC type of triangle, and it's similar to AEF by the side similarity theorem. So again, very typical geometry question here. So we have two triangles we have basically a triangle within a triangle. We have this big triangle ABC, and then we have a smaller triangle AEF, and both of these guys here are similar. So when we talk about similar, we're talking about these triangles are similar because of side similarity theorem, which states that these sides here are proportional. All three sides are proportional to each other. So if we know that, then it's asking us which ratio is also equal to AB over AE and AC over AF. So let's look at the side. Let me write this down first. So side similarity theorem. And this guy, side similarity theorem, what it means is that, again, if we have, if basically all three sides, if all three sides, or all three pairs, of corresponding sides, pairs of sides of two triangles are proportional, then two triangles are similar. So we're saying here that AB here, you can maybe think of a ratio here as half, because that's what I can visually kind of see, right? So AB here, half of AB is AE, half of AC here is AF, and then BC here is half of EF, right? So it's asking us what is similar, what ratio is also equal to AB over AE. So let me write this down first. So I have AB over AE, and that's equal to AC over AF, which is equal to some type of proportion or some type of ratio. So let me look at these two guys first. So I have AB over AE, right? I have AB over AE. So this is, you can think of it as 2 to 1, 2 to 1 ratio, right? You can think of AB as twice as long as AE here. So you can think of this as a 2 to 1 ratio. AC here is also twice as long as AF here, right? So again, we're focused on this side here and this side here. And as you can see, the longer side is first, and then it's the smaller triangle. So the bigger triangle and then the smaller triangle, the bigger triangle and the smaller triangle, or the bigger side. Sorry, the bigger side and the smaller side, the bigger side and the smaller side. And what we want to know is which ratio is also equal to these guys here. Well, it has to be a ratio of this last side here, right? And again, it says if all three pairs of sides of two triangles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. So therefore, if I already have a ratio for one of these sides here and one of these sides here, I need to think of a ratio to cover these guys here, right? So it says I want the bigger side first over the smaller side. So I'm going to put this, the answer would be CB, which is the longer side here. So CB over this guy here, which is EF, right? That's the smaller side here. So again, the bigger triangle ABC versus the smaller triangle AEF. Again, the bigger side over the smaller side here is the ratio. So therefore, D is our correct answer. It's CB over EF is our correct answer here, based on the side similarity theorem here, or SSS similarity theorem. As you can see here, the answer is also correct. So option D is correct. That's good. So because it's similar, therefore the corresponding sides are proportional. That's great. So therefore option D is correct. A here is false because EF over BC here, EF over BC here would be half of the proportion here. It's just simply flipped, right? We wanted the bigger side over the smaller side. This one has the smaller side over the bigger side, so that ratio is incorrect. Option B is CF over AF. So CF over AF here is a 1-to-1 ratio, right? A to F and F to C are exactly the same lengths. Same with A to E and E to B here, right? These two are also the same lengths here. So they're not proportional to the bigger triangle. So therefore, option D here is correct. So the solution here is correct. Good analysis.